Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create Instagram Reel using Unfold step by step. Here I am using iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the process is almost the same on Android. First, unlock your phone and open the Unfold app. On the home screen, tap the plus button. Next, you will see different reel templates. Scroll through and choose the style you like. Some templates are free while others may require a premium plan. Tap on your selected templates to continue. To add text, tap the text icon, type your message and customize the font size and color. You can also rearrange clip, trim video length, move or resize elements by dragging. Take your time to make your reel look clean and attractive. Once you are happy with your reel, tap the download or share icon at the top. Choose save to phone or save directly to Instagram reel. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.